Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of if your recycle bin icon is missing here. As you can see, the recycle bin is not here in my desktop here. So I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of the missing icon here. So first of all, you need to go to the start menu here, click on the start menu, then you need to go to the settings option here. As you can see, the gear icon, choose settings. After opening the settings option, you need to go to the personalization option here, click on personalization. Then in the left menu here, as you can see, there's an option called themes here, choose themes option here. Then you need to scroll down, or as you can see in the right here, there's an option called desktop icon setting here, so choose desktop icon setting. And as you can see, the recycle bin icon is not chosen here, so you need to select the recycle bin option here. So just choose the recycle bin option and click apply, click OK. Now if I cross the setting here, as you can see, the recycle bin option is now in the desktop here. So that's it guys, this is how you fix the problem of your missing icon of recycle bin in desktop. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.